like, how are there already bumps up there?
Wind.
Is that what does it?
Last year's bumps.
Apparently we were skating here 6 months ago.
Come on, just a couple minutes.
In May?
Whiskey Brook.
Yeah.
Mother's Day.
Yeah.
Look at this guy. No straight lining.
Gonna have to.
I kind of think we have to hit this before it gets skied out.
I feel like we do.
I feel like it is.
That way. It's getting there.
Yeah.
Look at all the carnage here.
Uh-huh.
Woo!
This guy in the snowboard is like, it's like my tuck yesterday.
Oh no. Uh-oh.
Oh, I lost my ski.
Yep.
Good luck. I was out in McCoy Park last year one day, and the instructor's standing with these, I think 3 little girls, and he just jigging in the snow. Like,
Oh.
I stopped, took off my skis, found the ski, and handed it to her. Here.